Okay, so I'm about to sing Beyonce, Dangerously in Love. Baby, I love you. You are my life. My happiest moments were incomplete if you were by my side. You're my relation and connection to the sun. With you next to me, there's no darkness I can overcome. You are my raindrops, I am your sea. For you and God who's the sun that I bloom and grow so beautifully. Baby, I'm so proud, proud to be your girl. You made the confusion go all away from this cold and mess of world. 'Cause I am in love with you. You set me free. I can't do this thing called life without you here with me. 'Cause I'm dangerously in love with you. I'll never leave. Just keep loving me the way you're loving me. And I know you love me for who I am. 'Cause years before I became who I am, baby, you were the man. I know it ain't easy loving me. And I appreciate the love and dedication from you to me. Later on in my destiny, I see myself having a child. I see myself being your wife, and I see my whole future in your eyes. Thought of all my love for you, sometimes made me wanna cry. I realize all my blessings, I'm grateful to have you by my side. I am in love. You set me free. I can't do this thing for life without you here with me.